Have you ever dreamed of studying in the UK? Maybe it's the historic colleges Oxford and Cambridge. Or perhaps the vibrant city life of London. Well, if you're planning to study in the UK, you'll need to navigate the UK student visa process. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to know what type of student visa you need. For most students, this will be the Tier 4 General Student Visa. But if you're under 16, you'll be looking for the Tier 4 Child Student Visa. Understanding which visa is correct for you is crucial. So, always double-check the UK government website for the latest information. Next, you need to have a confirmed place at a UK institution. You'll get a confirmation of acceptance for studies, CAS, from your chosen school. This is a unique reference number that you will need for your visa application. Once you have your CAS, it's time to gather your documents. Here's a quick checklist of what you'll need. Your CAS number. A valid passport or travel document. Proof of funds to support yourself during your stay. Proof of your English language skills. Let's go over each of these documents in detail. First, your CAS number is really important. Without it, you can't proceed with the application. The institution will provide this to you once you're accepted. Now, onto your passport. It should be valid for the entire duration of your stay in the UK. Make sure there are no issues with it. Now, proof of funds is crucial. You need to show that you have enough money to cover your tuition fees and living costs. Generally, this means having at least £1,334 per month for living costs if you're in London. This can be provided through bank statements or financial evidence. Next up, proof of English language skills. Depending on your country and institution, you may need to take an English test like IELTS or TOEFL. Check which test your school accepts and prepare accordingly. Once you've gathered all your documents, it's time to fill out the visa application. You can apply online via the UK government website. This is where the fun part begins. You'll need to create an account and fill out various sections about yourself. Be honest and double-check everything before submitting. After applying, you will pay the application fee. As of now, the fee is around £363 for a student visa application. You'll also pay the immigration health surcharge, which gives you access to the NHS while you're in the UK. Once you've completed the form and paid the fees, you'll need to book an appointment. This could be at a visa application center where you'll submit your documents and possibly have your biometric information taken. Remember to book your appointment as soon as possible since slots can fill up quickly. At your appointment, make sure to take copies of all your documents. Once you've submitted everything, the waiting game begins. Typically, you'll get a decision on your visa within 3 weeks. While waiting, it's always a good idea to explore housing options and research your new city. If you get your visa approval, congratulations. But what if it gets denied? You can appeal the decision or make a new application. Always remember to check why it was refused, as it can help you in the future. With your visa approved, it's time to prepare for your journey. But staying organized during the process will make your life a lot easier. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with anyone you know who's planning to study in the UK. If you have questions about the student visa process or any tips to share, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Remember, studying abroad is a journey. And being prepared is key to making the most of it. Thanks for watching. And good luck on your UK adventure.